Introducing a baby to a sippy cup is an important milestone that helps transition from bottle or breastfeeding to independent drinking. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to introduce your baby to a sippy cup effectively. Start by selecting a sippy cup that suits your baby's needs. There are different types, including soft spout, hard spout, straw cups, and 360-degree rim cups. For beginners, a soft spout cup or a cup with handles is ideal, as it closely mimics a bottle. Nubby Sippy Cup is designed to help babies move from bottle to cup with ease. This sippy cup for 6-month-old babies has an easy-to-hold design, ensuring that your little one can grip and sip with ease, making it the ideal baby sippy cup for developing fine motor skills. If your baby is used to breastfeeding, a straw cup may be a better option. Baby cup with straw is a safe, leak-proof, and durable training cup designed for babies 6 months and older. Made from food-grade silicone, it's easy to hold, spill-resistant, and helps babies transition smoothly from bottle to cup. Begin by offering the sippy cup during mealtime when your baby is already accustomed to drinking. Fill it with water, breast milk, or formula and show your baby how to use it by bringing it to their mouth. Some babies might take an immediate interest, while others may need time to adjust. Encourage your baby to hold and explore the sippy cup. Let them play with it to get familiar with the new object. If they refuse to drink, demonstrate by taking a sip yourself or gently guiding the cup to their mouth. In the beginning, only fill the cup with a small amount of liquid to minimize spills. Offer the cup once or twice a day to get them used to it without overwhelming them. Gradually increase the frequency as they become more comfortable. Praise your baby for any attempt to drink from the sippy cup. Clapping, smiling, and using encouraging words help build confidence and make the experience enjoyable. Some babies take longer than others to adjust to a sippy cup. If they resist, take a break and try again later. Avoid forcing them and instead, offer the cup consistently until they become comfortable. Once your baby is regularly using the sippy cup, begin reducing bottle feedings. Replace one bottle session at a time with the sippy cup to ease the transition. Over time, your baby will rely less on the bottle and more on independent drinking. As your baby gets used to the sippy cup, allow them to practice drinking independently. Avoid holding the cup for them, as self-drinking helps develop hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. By following these steps, your baby will transition smoothly and develop healthy drinking habits, making mealtimes more enjoyable for both of you.